Yes, I like to make fresh lemonade. My favorite homemade drink is fresh lemonade. It's very easy to make. To make it, you need a lemon, some sugar, and cold water. First, you cut a lemon and squeeze the juice into a glass. Then you add some sugar and cold water. Ahora bueno, sueños. You just stir it really well. And sometimes I love adding ice. It tastes so sour and sweet. And it's super refreshing on a hot day. I love making it because it just makes me feel healthy and happy. Cheers to homemade lemonade. My favorite homemade drink is a banana smoothie. To make it, you need bananas, milk, and some ice. First, you cut the bananas. Then, you put them in a blender with milk. And ice. Finally, you blend it well. It tastes very sweet and creamy. I like making it because it's healthy and full of vitamins. It makes me feel strong and energetic after drinking it. It tastes very sweet and creamy.
I like making it because it's healthy and full of vitamins.
It makes me feel strong and energetic after drinking it. It's super easy and so good for you. Hi everyone! Today I want to share my favorite homemade drink. It's iced tea and it's super easy to make. You'll need tea bags, hot water, sugar, and ice. First, put a tea bag in your cup and add hot water. Next, add some sugar to your liking. Give it a good stir to mix everything in. Finally, add a lot of ice to make it really cold. And there you had it, a perfect glass of homemade iced tea. It tastes a little sweet and very, very cool. I love making it because it's so refreshing and incredibly simple. It instantly makes me feel so fresh and relaxed. It tastes a little sweet and very cool. I really like it. You should totally try making it.
Yeah, it's the best.